it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is week 3 in the Rainbow collaboration. This is hosted by Tammy, My World in OKC, Sandra CraftyMom, and Jody from Jody's Craft Room. All their channels will be linked down below. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So guys, something always goes wrong when I'm doing a project. It just always happens to me and it takes extra long. So I'm going to show you what mishap I had, and then I'm going to show you how I made it work, because I did not want to go back out to the craft store. And in the end, I'm really happy with how my project came out. This is what I cut out of my Cricut. I'm not quite sure why it didn't score this piece, and it on the one side it did, and this side it cut it off. This is the issue with Design Space. They don't give you like directions. So this is the excess, and I'm gonna make use of it. So I figured it out. It goes up in this direction because this is the Ladybug, guys, and I have no idea why the Cricut didn't score it and cut it straight off. So I'm gonna have to find a way to reattach this piece because I don't have another piece of red paper, and I want to make this project work. And today is the upload for the red collab. So I'm gonna start gluing my box together and reattach this off the camera, and I'll be back to show you what I got here. So now here's the box, sort of, and I'm gonna try and reattach this piece here. So due to the mishap where the Cricut cut one of the pieces of my Ladybug out, I had to use this washi tape to get it back on. And I actually think it looks really cute now from the inside when you're opening the box, because now it's got that glitter to it. And to give it a little more, you know, excitement and a little more stickiness, I'm going to use some glue and my red glitter now on the outside so that it still looks cute from the outside. For some reason, guys, mishaps always happen to me. I go to do something and then this is what happens, something crazy. And I always have the malfunction, but you know what? These homemade projects aren't supposed to be perfect. They're supposed to be one of a kind, creativity, and you know what? I found a way and we're making it work. On my glitter. I gotta show you this spoon, guys. My mom got this for me, and I don't really know. It's for a coffee mug. I don't know. It's so tiny. But I just keep it by a craft area, and it is perfect for using as for your glitter. So now look at that, guys. How cute. So this is the completed project, guys. I wanted to share now. It is all done. How adorable is this to give to somebody as a gift? So I ended up putting this ribbon right here. I tied on a strip on each middle dot on that Ladybug so that you could easily tie it up after filling it. So let's just show you quickly the inside here. That's how it looks, and this is where I had to use the washi to fix the mistake my Cricut made. And that's awesome. And then on the outside sides is where I did the glitter. I colored in black for the antenna on both sides. Added this little red pom-pom trim. And on the front, I added a Ladybug and some red gems. And now so now we're gonna make a butterfly, and I got a circle here and I got a square. And this is about 4 inches and this is about 3 inches. You want to make the circle about 1 inch smaller than that square. So what you're going to do is fold it in half this way, and then you're going to, with your fold going that way, you're going to start scoring lines this way. So I'm just going to put this right here on my scoreboard. You see the center score, and then you see all the score lines going across now. And with this paper, it's not red on both sides, but I don't think you're gonna see this side, but I'm not positive. So we're gonna end up folding it in. Here's our fold, and now we're gonna put it down this way and start scoring. I folded them both up, and it's a little hard because I did make the score lines too close. I recommend making them a little further away for your first one. So then when we see that middle score line, that's where we're gonna start just folding this up. In the middle of the bottom piece, I'm gonna just add this hot glue so we could connect these two together. Added the glue now temporarily. Now here's my embroidery floss, and we're gonna see if this butterfly came out better because the other was a complete fail. But like I said, I never tried making one of these, and I thought it would be fun. And I thought it'd be something that I could put in this box. So if you guys like how my box came out, like I'd love to give it back to one of you guys today. So you can pretty much just let me know down in the comments if you would like to win. Just say Ladybug and I will enter your names and I will pick a winner in a day or so. It will definitely be posted by Monday the latest, maybe over the weekend, depending how the weekend goes, guys. So if you're interested in this cute little project I made here today, let me know down below. Little hidden giveaway. I have never done this before, so little giveaway. I love to give back to you guys because you really do so much to encourage me. My butterfly is a little pointy, so I'm gonna round off the tops. See if that helps it a little bit, look a little better. So I could not get this perfect, guys. It was troublesome for me. So to hide my imperfections, I added this red butterfly sticker, some red bling, and in the end, I really do think it looks super adorable. And I'm gonna leave the string on here because whomever gets this can do whatever they want with it. So now I just want to show you one last thing. I ended up making this cute little flower, and I used just some of the paper and one of the pom-poms in the middle. And this is really simple, guys. All you need is a perfect square. You end up folding it in half, and now it's a triangle in half and in half. So that's 3 times. You cut along here. I made a line, so you're just cutting along. And now it looks like that, almost like an ice cream cone. You go ahead, you open it on up. You could see all the fold marks, and you're gonna cut one section out. So from there to there, you're gonna cut one of the petals out. And I'm just showing you on scrap because I made it already. And then you have one missing. You basically just glue it like that. And then you have yourself a cute little paper flower. And you can make as many layers as you want. I just did 2 here. This was literally the first time I decided to try and make one. And that's how simple it is, guys. Some red little tissue paper here. You could just stick on in there. Stick on in my little flower. Add in my butterfly. And then we just tie it on up into a cute little bow here. And there you have it, guys. How adorable is this for Happy Mail? Like I said earlier, if you want to win this, put down Ladybug in the comments below. Let me know that you want to win this in this small little giveaway. That's a surprise just because I want to give something back. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Also, don't forget to check out the videos of the other girls in the collab. You're just gonna do the hashtag juneokc and you'll be linked to all the other videos. So guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share it with friends, and most importantly, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.